Welcome to this phenomenal property, 933 Waterfall Country Estate in Gate 6. When you enter this property, you are greeted by beautiful views of your entertainment area, your swimming pool. You've got a beautiful staircase here and lots of glass, gives it a feeling of openness, space. This flows into a nice, neat, tucked away study over here, which is perfect to work from home if the kids need to do schoolwork. It's got beautiful views of the garden, it's tranquil, and again, it's very neatly tucked away. You have central aircon throughout the property, which is great. You've also got built-in cupboards over here, which could then mean that you could potentially use this as your 5th bedroom in the house if you needed to. You've got a 3-car garage which has access into the property. So you could park 2 cars and you could park a golf cart. You've got ample space in your driveway to park a couple of more cars. Visitors parking. As you enter, you've got a guest loo. You've got a lovely corridor over here, which on your one side you've got a beautiful wine cellar, and then on this side this opens up to your entertainment area. Lovely to sit with the family, entertain, have sundowners, have your morning coffee. Just really relax and take it all in. Beautiful spacious garden. You've got a boma, swimming pool. You've got a built-in gas braai over here. And again, this area flows into your built-in bar, which forms part of your entertainment area. You could sit here, entertain, have a couple of drinks, and really just enjoy the views. One of the really lovely features about this house is you've got stack doors all around. So you literally open everything up and it's kind of like you're inside, outside, beautiful for summer. This space over here is your TV lounge. So you could put your TV over there. You've got your gas fireplace for those winter days. This home offers a lot of natural light, which is great. You've got a chandelier here, and this will be your dining room. It's very spacious, and this flows very nicely into your kitchen. The kitchen, you've got a gas stove. It's all Whirlpool appliances. You've got an oven, a microwave, and a coffee machine. You've also got integrated appliances. So over here, you've got your fridge and your freezer. Beautiful, glossy, white cupboards. The cabinetry is beautiful. It's soft touch. You could make yourself a cup of coffee in the morning. You could go and sit outside by the swimming pool, enjoy your cup of coffee, and just take in your surroundings. Your kitchen flows into this area, which could be kind of like an informal dining area, an everyday dining area. Again, you've got stack doors on either side with beautiful views of your garden. You could make this into a reading nook, a little sunroom. The options are endless. You've got a nice tucked away scullery with space for your 3 appliances. You also have a very decent size pantry. This home has central vac. Out from your scullery, you've got a little courtyard over here, and this leads to your staff room, which is a bedroom with a kitchenette and a bathroom. Very decent size. Let's head upstairs so I can show you the bedrooms. As we're walking upstairs, we have this beautiful wooden staircase. You can see the stunning chandelier, and the views from here are really phenomenal. As you're entering upstairs, you've got a very generous sized pajama lounge. Throughout the whole of upstairs, you've got the American shutters, which is great. You could close them. So this house offers 4 bedrooms. As I said, you can use the bedroom downstairs as a 5th bedroom if you needed to, but that is actually the study. So over here, you've got your 1st bedroom. Welcome to bedroom number 1. You've got ample cupboard space, a full ensuite bathroom. Again, the whole house has central aircon, which is really useful. Bedroom number 2, again, you've got a full ensuite bathroom. Bedroom number 2, private balcony, beautiful views of Waterfall. You've got a lovely spacious corridor over here. You've got a bookshelf. This flows to bedroom number 3, again with a full bathroom, ample cupboard space, lots of natural lighting, balcony. And this of course is your main bedroom. You've got a private toilet, a lovely massive spa bath, shower with his and her basins. So this is your walk-in closet with ample cupboard space. And then this is your main bedroom with a gas fireplace, huge balcony and lovely views. From your main bedroom, you've got access to a balcony. It's really spacious. You can put some soft furniture and just enjoy the views. Call us today to arrange a viewing on this beautiful 4-bedroom home in Waterfall Country Estate.